So what is up guys, in today's video I want to show you how to start a YouTube channel using just your phone. Yes, it's possible. You can start a YouTube channel for free using just your phone. Now if this is something that interests you, you can watch this video all the way till the end because you'll find a lot of jam-packed information in this video. If you want to start it for PC for free, watch tomorrow's video as I will be uploading another one tomorrow just for PC and for laptops. Will also follow more or less the same guidelines as today's video. Okay, so what I'm going to be covering you, just a quick rollout of it, is the best screen recorder, which is a must-have. No watermarks. Okay, the best video editor, also no watermarks. Where to get your thumbnails and create your video intros or outros for your channel. Okay, the best background removal tool, and also the best niches for YouTube with your mobile. So if this is something that piques your interest, then stay tuned to this video and watch it all the way till the end, as you will love every second of it. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's just get into this video, because I fear it may be too long for some of you to watch. Okay, so I'll just get started one ways. So the best screen recorder, which is the actual thing you will need to get started for the first with a YouTube channel. Okay, the first thing is actually having a YouTube channel. Second is basically a screen recorder. You cannot record anything without a screen recorder. Now I use the AZ screen recorder. In the bottom right corner you can see me gameplay section of mine that I recorded with AZ screen recorder. Okay, and as you can see, there's no lag, there's no drag, there's no freezing. It's a very lightweight screen recorder and also has no watermark. Okay, so all you need to do is just watch an ad. They show you an ad, and if you don't even have to watch the ad after you've recorded the video, but that's basically, it's very straightforward to use. Okay, it's very lightweight, it can run on any phone. Okay, and it can even record smooth gameplay while you are busy playing game. Okay, so the second tool you will need is InShot video editor. Also in the bottom right screen, as you can see, there's also a sample of me doing a little video editing with InShot video editor. Okay, also do not watermark your final output of the video, but you are required to watch an ad. Okay, sometimes it's just a freeze frame ad, other times it will be a video ad, but it's the small price to pay for not having to pay for expensive tools for your YouTube channel. Okay, now the third app will be Pixabay. Now Pixabay offers quite a few things. Pixabay gives you some free stock images, some free stock videos. That's if you feel that you need to use it. If you don't want this app on your phone specifically, because the more apps you've got on your phone, okay, the slower your phone will be. Okay, the less data your phone has on it, the better the results of your gameplay, video editing, and also your screen recording. They also have a website. Okay, so Pixabay also has a website where you can download stock images, stock videos, and also stock music for free. Okay, then another tool we need is Canva. Now with Canva allows you to create YouTube thumbnails, okay, and also video intros and outros, and it's all for free. Okay, so there are paid features and paid widgets which you can add onto your designs, but I would only stay with the free ones, as the free ones are more than enough to make your channel look really awesome. Also create beautiful thumbnails. I use Canva most of the time to create thumbnails for my channels, and I've been using it for a very long time, and I don't see myself switching to any other platform in the future. Okay, Now, sometimes you may need to remove background images. Now, I know other YouTubers do speak of tools where you can remove background images, but none of them actually remain free. Now, remove.bg is a free tool. Okay, I use it all the time and it does a really wonderful job. Okay, for some images it may take long, okay, but it doesn't really always just focus on images of people. If you have branded words, for example a Google sign or a PayPal sign from which you want the background removed, remove.bg also does that. I know other automated background removal tools do not offer this feature. Okay, they do in some instances, but then they go freemium. Okay, there's always a freemium thing with some of these tools, but remove.bg you can remove as many backgrounds as you want for free. Okay, and there's at no cost to yourself. Okay, so now let's go over to the best niches for YouTube, also how to stay copyright free, because if you have any copyrighted material on your channel, YouTube will never monetize you. You will need to remove that, wait 3 months again, and then reapply for the AdSense program. Okay, so the best niches are basically make money online. Yes, you can make money online with just your phone. There are so many channels currently doing it. Okay, they're taking advantage of it because most people have only mobile phones, and a lot of the websites that are shown do not offer compatible apps for their mobiles, so they go in search of other apps to make money online. Now, all you need to do is just search best earning apps. Okay, you can filter the results by month, by year, by view, by channels. Okay, now what you need to do is start writing down all the earning apps. Okay, make a list for yourself, take at least 2 or 3 hours and go through YouTube writing down all the best earning apps. Okay, now then what you do is you go through them each video at a time. Create one video about a certain app, get the keywords, get the search tags, okay, the name of the app, review, or earn this much with this app, or you can earn this much with this app. Your thumbnails should maybe look the same as what these guys are doing here. I prefer these thumbnails because these thumbnails show information, they show value. Okay, instead of just showing your face. Okay, it's really up to you, but I choose thumbnails that show value and that actually attract my attention. Like this green one here is really awesome. Okay, even this one here, 5 apps to earn $500. Okay, so create your thumbnails like a similar style and let people basically want to know what's going on in your video and how they can get those same results, or what they need to do to earn that much. Okay, now the second basically is gaming. Now the second niche is gaming. Gaming is a very big niche on YouTube, on the YouTube platform, even on the Twitch platform. Okay, so if you are a streamer, you can also stream to Twitch with your phone if you've got good internet. But I would maybe just create videos beforehand, then upload them to YouTube. That is the best for phones. Okay, so you need to think about games that are currently trending. Okay, you need to think about games that are currently trending, games that are hot. I know games like Call of Duty Mobile is hot. Okay, a lot of people play it. Okay, then there's also games like PUBG Mobile, there's games like Free Fire, and the one that's recently become viral is Among Us. Like the video you saw earlier, the game I was playing is actually Among Us, and you can see the views that these guys are getting are completely insane. Now what you just need to do is copy the tags of all of these people. Now the best tool for this is actually vidIQ, because vidIQ also has an app for Android and for iOS. Okay, so vidIQ, you use vidIQ, you get the video details, you paste it into vidIQ, and it will get all the tags for you. You just need to change the titles. Okay, also make sure that your channel has the same tags within its channel tags. Okay, I'll show that in the next video, because the next video will be a bit longer. It'll go more in depth into YouTube. Okay, so that's all that you need. Okay, and then the Third, and also another great niche, is the tech niche. It's basically testing out different apps, for example like screen recorder apps, video editing apps. Okay, so that's all you need to do, is look through these videos, find the best apps, or even just do a quick search on Google Play as well, and just write down the names of these. Try and test them out, or each and every one of them, because the best videos are the ones that go into depth on a specific application. Okay, I know these 6 best video recording apps for smartphone, yes, they do get views, but what if someone watches one of those videos, decides he wants to test out 2 or 3 of those apps? What's gonna happen is he's gonna search for videos on that specific app, and that is where you guys come in, because then you will get the same amount of view time, because you'll basically be showing them how the app works, what they can realistically expect from that app, any watermarks or whatever, or this ever, or any limitations from that app. Okay, and that's basically because this niche, okay, tech niche and the make money online niche, are one of the highest paying niches on the platform, and these are the niches that you should actually be looking into, and you can do this all from your phone. You don't have to talk at all. Okay, but it's better if you talk with these 2 niches, because talking can help relay your thoughts. Okay, you can say more than what you can type put on the screen. It's better that people know what you think about the website as well, or the app, or the software. Okay, but with gaming channels, all you need to do is just play, because the most searched for keyword actually with Among Us and Call of Duty Mobile is gameplay. Among Us gameplay, no commentary. People don't want to hear anyone talk. They just want commentary. All you give them is just the gameplay, and just put some really soft music in the background. Okay, if the video is long, use slower tempo music. If the video is short, use a bit more fast-paced, upbeat music, but not too fast. As music that plays too fast will make people want to skip over and be in a rush for the video to end. So the slower your music, the slower their tempo becomes, the more relaxed they become, and the more engaged they will become with your video or videos. Okay, so guys, I hope this really helps you out. This is actually a request from one of my subscribers, and this is the reason for this whole video. So I hope this helps you out. This is and I hope you guys actually use this information. If you are new to the channel and you like really awesome honest content like this, I would ask you to subscribe and also share with your friends who you think may actually find this information useful. Okay, but that's all for me from today. Stay tuned and watch out for tomorrow's video, as I'll be showing you how to start a YouTube channel as well, but with PC or laptop for absolutely free. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day, and goodbye.